Hey there, awesome people, how are you guys doing? So this is your V-Bro from Filmora Made Easy, and today in this video I'll be taking a look at the newest features of Filmora, which is nothing but Filmora V11.6. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. And yes, I'm really sorry for not bringing contents regularly for you guys, but from now on that won't be the case. I will be bringing content every single week. Now, I have been using Filmora for my entire life. Since I started making content on YouTube as well as creating content for clients, I have been a loyal user for Filmora, and here we have newer features and updates coming to my favorite video editing software, which makes me really excited. Now first, let's open up the Filmora V11.6, and here we get the same welcome screen with the past projects, auto reframe, auto beat sync, stuff like that, etc. For now, let's click on the new project right now so that we can take a look at the newer feature that we have inside this version of Filmora. First is RGB Curves. This feature is great to make quick and precise color adjustment to suit your own style. First of all, add your own video to your timeline. And after that, right-click on it and select Color Correction. Choose Adjust. Now adjust the RGB curves. Before, Filmora was lacking color correction in this way, but now we have the curves, which is pretty great for users like you and me. Second is import from other cloud drives. This feature imports directly from third-party cloud drives including Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, saving time and also boosting your efficiency. To do this, click on File, choose Import Media, then click on Import from Other Apps. Here you can find Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. Third is Text-to-Speech Support SRT File. Now you can import SRT file and convert them into various voices using text-to-speech. This can be really useful when you want to use a SRT file and want to turn it into a voiceover, and you don't want to use your own voice for a video, or if you're not satisfied with the original voice of a video. You can also either import an SRT file and turn it into a voiceover directly, or convert your audio into a SRT file using speech-to-text feature, and turn it into a new voiceover using text-to-speech. First, add your SRT file to your timeline and right-click on it. After that, click on Text-to-Speech. Select the voice name and click on OK. After some time, your text-to-speech will be ready. Fourth feature is Timer Toolkit Effects. Now, if you go to the Effects tab and scroll down to Timer section, you will see a bunch of timer effects. These effects can be really useful for workout schedule videos, vlogs, gaming videos, marketing promotional videos, etc. And also many of these parameters can be adjusted as well so that you can create the customized timer that you need for your project or work. All these features are coming both to Windows as well as Mac versions of Filmora 11, and these are the added features and functionalities that comes with Filmora V11.6. So if you haven't updated to this version, I would strongly suggest you to do so. Do let me know which feature is your favorite and how would you been using them into your own videos. Now make sure you like this video as well as subscribe to my channel, as it will help this video to reach more amazing people like yourself. Now this is your V-Bro from Filmora Made Easy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.